everyone! Good morning, good morning. I am back. As I told you, I'm gonna show to you the already fixed one from the bags. Before, I said it will be continued. So far, this is it. This is it. A barbecue grill. Oh, di ba? Bongga ka, bogs. Oh, oh, ayan, humahabol pa. Since tapos na yung summer, ayaw ko ba kung ano naisip nito. Binibili na naman niya ang aking tampururot. So, let's it. May pa-thermometer, temperature, whatsoever. Para tuloy parang machina, parang car. Oh, see that? See. May thermometer pa. Okay? 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Check the temperature. Now, let's open now. Open sesame! Ayan. This is what I am looking for. Okay, na meron siyang cover. It has a cover, syempre, to protect itself inside, no? Against whatsoever, langaw or what. Okay, so eto na ho, yung kanyang first layer. Syempre, dyan ho, this is now, it's looking like this. Dalawang layer pala siya. So, first layer, yan yung lagayin ng charcoal. Para sasalain niya rin. The residual goes down immediately. Syempre, saan pa? May hole din dyan. So, ayan po. May hole din siya dyan. Ang ganda, grabe. I'm so satisfied with this. Kasi sabi ko, kailangan may cover. No, may cover siya. So, this is it. And ano naman ito? So, here, already have a stand. No? Naku, iuuwi ko to sa Pilipinas. Doon ako magninegosyo ng barbecue. So, here, no, meron siyang stand ko. Dito yung aking preparation materials, like that. Yung ating marinated meat, so and so. So, may lagay na siya, mga darling. And, diba, meron siyang wheels dyan. And here, what's the purpose of this one? The small area here. So, after mo makook, no, and if you wanted to keep it warm, all you need to do is just to place it here. Very simple. Oh my gosh. Bongga talaga. Also have a handler here. May handle siya. See that? Yan lang naman pala yung purpose nitong parang mini pocket rito. On the left side, no? So, if you want to keep it warm, the one that you cook, syempre, lalamig na siya. If you want to keep it warm, you just put here. Yan. Before you're gonna serve it hot, no, sa table. So, eto yung kanyang chesta. Yeah. Ito pala yun. Smoke, ano siya. Anong tawag dito? Yan. Pag gusto mo siyang, syempre, yung kailangan mo siyang i-ano, no? Kailangan mong pausukin ng bonggang-bongga. Ganyan. If you want to keep it parang, anong tawag dun? Smoke. Yan. Cover mo lang siya ng ganyan. Ano siya? Meron siyang temperature dito. Temperature. Ang ganda, grabe. So, wait, don't say anything. Ayan. So, baka ngayong araw ho na ito, kasi off ko, baka gagawa ko kami ng barbecue. Nako. Ito lang naman yung aking binili sa Ocean. No, para sa, I like the color. Plastic siya, movable. No, hindi siya, to keep it siguro na natatagal, ay hindi ko siya lalagyan ng lupa. Oh, 1 week na to nandito. Wala lang, collection lang, charot. Oh, diba? Ang ating rose na nagva-vine din. Yan, at ang ating walang humpay na moral na hindi namumulaklak kasi nalalaglag naman. Kalorky fish. Okay. So, yan na ho. And this is it. So, abangan ho natin yung ating mga chrysanthemum na pagkadami-dami. Ayan ho. So, abangan ho natin yan. Okay? You see that rose. Sana naman tayo napadako. Okay. Ayan yung aking rose na nagva-vine siya. Papunta doon yan. Nagva-vine siya. Ay, lamig na, oy. O, sige na, for the meantime, bebe. Bye-bye muna. Bye-bye. At ito yung mga kuting mingming na mga inadapt. Ito yung mga inadapt, no? Na mga kuting. Ayan. O, say hello. Say hello to them. Oh.
Where is the meat outside?
Okay, so this is it. Bye-bye. See ya later.